Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a haul video for you. These are some items that I purchased recently from Bornprettystore. So I was needing a new cuticle pusher just for myself, and of course recently you might have known that they've done this rainbow range, so I just had to pick this one. So it's got the cuticle pusher on one end and it's got the sharper kind of knife point on the other end just for scraping the dead skin off. I was also in need of a new pair of tweezers, and of course when given the option, why would you not go for the rainbow pair? So I'm going to try these out and see how I get on with these. I also needed some more of the chevron tip guides. Now unfortunately these are quite small, so I don't think they're really going to cater for, definitely not the size of my thumbnail. I assumed that they would be bigger, but I didn't actually read what size they were when I bought them, so that is also my own fault for not checking the size of the actual stickers. I decided to get a couple of image plates. This is L078 and that's the patterns that are on it. And then this one is L079. And I'm really excited to use this one because it's almost like you can do a kind of marbled effect with these, and there's some other really fun looking designs on there, but like a brick wall and everything. So I'm looking forward to coming up with some designs for this. Lastly, I saw this item advertised and this had me very interested. This is a stamping gel, so I'm going to do a review video on this to see how well it works. I've only ever seen it advertised so far on Bornprettystore, but I'm sure by now it's going to be in a lot of other stores as well. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for some more tutorials.